Hi guys, it's Jamie from Everon again. Today I'm going to be showing you a demo of one of our newer Power Apps that simplifies holiday leave and holiday leave requests. We've created this app as a kind of generic starting point where people might be using Outlook calendars or Excel spreadsheets to manage staff leave and staff leave balances and stuff like that at the moment. So although this isn't as complete as a HR toolkit or system, it's better than kind of some of the base elements people might be using. And again, with it being built in Power Apps, it can be tweaked and adapted to fit different businesses. So when entering the app and going onto your leave request page, you'll be able to see your pending, approved and declined leave, as well as the plus button at the bottom to create your own leave requests. After submitting your leave request, you'll be able to see it in the pending section. Other features of the app for employees are seeing your leave balance, what company holidays are available, and the calendar to see when other employees have taken leave. As an admin or a manager, you'll see in the admin section you can view the overall leave report for the week for your whole company or department. And there's also an option to approve, decline leave requests as an admin, viewing and changing company holidays, altering employee holiday entitlement, and finally, changing your holiday settings so that when it resets for your holiday year each year. That's obviously a base overview of the app. Again, it can be tweaked and amended for different businesses, and it does have some features that we might not have run through in this base demo. If you're interested in learning more, get in touch and one of the team can assist.